Good Friday morning. Light snow is beginning to fall here in the Med City. That started about really half an hour ago, but now we're starting to see some very light accumulation. That's looking outside South Broadway with our Galdi Group camera from downtown Rochester. Snow spreading from east to west. This is because the system is centered to our south. Snow is moving up around cyclonically, and we're the northern side of the system. So snow is moving counterclockwise, and so we're looking for that this morning to impact the morning commute as much as maybe half inch. Some spots may see a full inch out of that this morning with that first initial wave of snow. Snow will continue off and on throughout the day. Totals may reach about an inch by this evening in much of the area. So a little coating on top of the very light dusting we had yesterday, and of course the heavier round of snow we had on Wednesday. All of this with the same storm system. Again, good morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt, and we're talking about the same system now, and in the coming days we're going to have more doses of light snow, but from separate systems. The pattern finally begins to show some signs of changing, but the overall impact will be more clouds, more snow, what we have right now, just maybe a different wind direction, basically, in the coming days. But right now, 28 degrees in Rochester, Mason City 29, Winona 32. On our way to the low 30s in most spots. Winds at least are very light, north winds 10 miles per hour. Feels like 19. Air pressure is steady, 30.02 inches of mercury. Visibility, that was an issue yesterday. Again today, visibility has dropped off a little bit, especially with the onset of that snow, that and the fog, reducing that visibility to a mile to maybe as much as 2 miles. But right now, Charles City, less than a mile. So that's what we're facing here this morning, slick road conditions and reduced visibility. So be extra careful on the roads today. 19, the wind chill in Rochester, Austin 23. 23 in Decorah. We've begun to lose sight of downtown from Assisi Heights. That's our Galdi Group camera there. Periods of snow throughout the day. 32 the expected high later this afternoon. And by then, by around 3 or 4, we might even see a spot or two of freezing drizzle mixing in. But mainly snow right now. See that light to, in some cases, maybe moderate snowfall rates for a time this morning as that main band of snow moves in. They'll have smaller doses heading into the afternoon. But light snow today, as much as an inch overall. Snow ends tomorrow morning, a couple of smaller little rounds of light snow showers tonight into very early tomorrow, maybe 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow morning we'll have that chance, but really little, if any, additional accumulation there after today's snow. And then more chances come up next week, maybe a little bit Sunday, maybe a tenth of an inch, something like that, but not completely quiet and dry as much as we'd like to be. And then maybe next Tuesday and Wednesday, and maybe even next Friday, another chance of snow. So the pattern is getting more active and is turning more to the northwest. 28 right now in Rochester, Des Moines 30, Minot 20. No Arctic air in sight. Very seasonable, if not warmer than average. The system coming out of the southwest is moving northeastward. Grazing area to the south, and there it is impacting Chicago later this evening and tonight. Milwaukee, Chicago, 3 to 5 inches of snow there out of the same system. That's where the highest concentration of snow will be later this evening. We will be, on the other hand, looking at much lighter snow, maybe a spot of freezing drizzle or two around 4, 5, 6 o'clock this evening, but kind of a small chance of that at this point. A couple of snowflakes tomorrow morning in our area. Otherwise, all the snow has moved east by then. And then watch our northwest. This is the change in the pattern. Systems are going to start coming out of the northwest, out of Montana, North Dakota, bringing some light coatings of snow at times for us. But here's what we're facing today. As much as an inch of snow by this evening. Looking at tomorrow, maybe a trace amount first thing in the morning, and then a dry spell tomorrow afternoon. Sunday, another little minor clipper system comes in, brings maybe another tenth of an inch of snow to the area for the end of the weekend. The skies will remain gray. Temperatures steady in the range of 30 degrees or so. The highs around 32, lows in the upper 20s in the coming days. 32 in Rochester today. 28 Mason City, 30 in Owatonna. Some fog, some clouds, as much as an inch of snow, in north winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, snow showers, but just a thin coating at most, maybe a tenth of an inch, 26. And then tomorrow, some snow showers early. Gray skies, 31, a light northwest breeze. 7-day forecast, some snow early Sunday, or early in the afternoon Sunday, I should say. Some snow showers there, maybe a dusting at most. Late Tuesday and Wednesday, that system not bringing a lot of snow, but we may end up with an inch or so out of that. And another one yet to show up on the 7 days, still more than 7 days out anyway. That's next Friday night and next Saturday morning. A chance for a very light coating there as well. In the meantime, be safe on the roads today and over the weekend. It's been kind of a sloppy stretch. The system taking forever to get out of here. This is the third day out of the system. It won't be completely out of our area until mid-morning Saturday, and then we'll have more of that unsettled weather heading into next week. And no signs of sunshine, unfortunately. So if you're hoping for that, that does not look to be the case. In the meantime, have a great weekend. We'll see you right back here on Monday.